Losing access to your Mega account can feel like this, but don't worry, your recovery key is the ultimate spare key to unlock everything. First, log into your Mega account on your computer or mobile web browser. This won't work in the Mega desktop app. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, typically found in the top right corner, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Security tab. This is where your crucial security information resides. Scroll down until you find the Recovery Key section. Here you'll see options related to your recovery key. Click the Show Recovery Key button. Mega will prompt you to enter your current password to confirm your identity. Type in your password accurately and click Confirm your recovery key. A long string of characters will now be displayed. This is it, your Mega recovery key. This key is super important. Treat it like the combination to a safe. You should copy it, download it as a file, or even print it out. Store it in a secure location, preferably offline, like a password manager, a safe deposit box, or a physical document stored securely. Never store it in plain text on your computer, in an email, or anywhere easily accessible. Now you know how to find and safeguard your Mega recovery key. Secure your account.